Welcome to Aromance in Yoga Public for the Open House 2025. This year we have a few new products that I want to show you. Of course, we have our ornament for Christmas. This year we have a paper one. They are beautiful colors and they are made in Canada. The prices are really around $12 and they are incredible. We are, of course, having our regular Egyptian blown glass that are from an association of women in Egypt to empower women. There is a lot of different ones, and so price also varies between $30 to $50. Lots of beautiful color, red, blue, lots of different ones. The next big new products that we are bringing from France, it's Le Savon Marseille. And so we have about 25 different ones. And they are the original Savon Marseille from Provence. You have lots of different scents from Monoi to patchouli to sandalwood, mint, strawberry, amber, cedar, aloe vera, lots of different ones. We have also the cube, the original cube of Savon Marseille from France. The next new products that we have this year, it's our tea. Canadian tea from the East Coast. And so it's the 7 chakras plus one called meditation. I am more than my physical body. They are all plants grown in Canada in the East Coast and blended in the East Coast as chakra tea that are incredible. It comes in 2 ounce and 1 ounce. So you can try and have a lot of variety at home. They are 100% organic. This year we have a few products. Of course, we have the products from the year before that you can actually look at other videos online that will give you a lot more details about each product that we have. And this year we have a new box of incense from Auroville, from those who came to India with us, and so you recognize the logo that is the Marquis-Mandeau. And inside you have 6 different incenses plus a metal incense holder. We have also all the other incenses as usual, the 50 packs and the 10 packs. We have lots of different ones, and all our incenses are 100% natural with essential oil and bamboo stick. We have, of course, our contemporary glass holder for incense, and so it's collect the ashes at the bottom on top of making a beautiful art with the smoke inside going up. This year we have also the 2 new diffuser, one that comes in 2 different colors. This little diffuser is you can use water or hydrosol and essential oil. It will last up to a week diffusing different. If you are using it, it's quite really amazing. I was really surprised for a large size living room and it's really on the lower setting. When you arrive home or arrive to that room, you can really smell, and you don't have to change constantly the oil. It's there, it's easy to use. This diffuser is just a little bit above $20. We have two need diffusers, smaller one, that are also night light, one white, one dark, and they are also really well priced. And it is not for like huge, it would be more like for bedrooms or smaller living room. And you can, as usual, put any essential oils that we have with some water. So for the scent, we can move now to the perfume that we already had last year, that are 100% natural, so it's why you need to check them before use. And we have fire, earth, and wood. They are incredible, they last well, they are 100% natural. All the perfume that you are using usually are synthetic or have some base of synthetic. This one is 100% natural, and of course it's a lot better for your lungs. This year we also have back our lavender comfy from Provence that is extremely good, and we do not have a lot of it. So for those who couldn't get it 2 years ago when we had it, you need to really come early on Sunday. You can also, of course, order online in our aromance.com. We have two new upcycle glass lantern with the flower of life. The price are around $34. One comes green and the other one is more like sand green. It creates a beautiful ambiance, and of course we have other candles from Maroma, of course, that are 100% natural, and we have different scents. We have also this year for little tiny gift all our linen spray, and we have lots of different scents, and the ambience perfume that you can use inside this little diffuser, but you can also use them into regular diffuser. And so there is also a lot of different ones that are incredible to use. We have also all our seeds, and the seeds are for spring, and the cover is with a special artist in the East Coast. Of course, as usual, we have on sale for the open house this coming Sunday all our blends and all the aromatherapy products. Blends that are really for everything from sleep to your energy, to purify your home, to restore your balance, for healing. There is few for focus levels if you are a meditator, and of course all the single aromatherapy where we have lots and lots of them. There is also all the hydrosol. We have more of our nebulizer and diffuser. Two are smart, that are working with Google and Alexa. We have also lots, like I was saying, lots of incenses from Aroma, 50 packs and 10 packs. We will have our CB2 also, all the products for CB2 on sale this coming Sunday. We have a few new Maroma products. One that is for the great protection outdoor for mosquitoes. So this winter you will not need if you stay in Winnipeg, but if you go anywhere in a warm country, this is a good idea. We have a sun stick. The sun stick can be for your tattoos or in general for your body. And we have also a new face sunscreen, SPF 50. We have also our new Aromance Triple Maple Leaf that target your elastin. There is a lot of products that targets the collagen, but not as much for elastin. We have the entire line, of course, of Maroma face products that will be on sale at 15%. And there is also the back flower remedies. And I am sure I am forgetting some of the products that are going to be this Sunday on sale at the open house. Hope to see you online or at Aromance inside Yoga Public at 280 4th Street.